Congress continues to attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his tapasya, and politics is speaking on this issue. I believe Amita is joining us with more details on the latest reaction coming in from Congress. All right, we'll try and connect with Amita to get you the latest, but the opposition, remember, has already knocked on the doors of the Election Commission. The opposition said this is nothing but another way to seek votes after the model code of conduct comes into play and after the campaigning is over. This is Prime Minister's way of seeking votes, and it is a violation of model code of conduct. That was the allegation leveled by the opposition. Let's in fact listen to what Rajmani Patel of the Congress said about Prime Minister's meditation.
अब तो पर से उनके झूठ भरते, झूठ के अलावा तो कुछ है नहीं, कोई फैक्ट है नहीं, कोई तथ्य है नहीं, कोई सगुफा लिया करके हमारे छोड़ देंगे और क्या बनाएंगे, कोई तथ्य कोई मकसद तो उसका था नहीं। एक माने नाटक नौटंकी जो करते हैं कि साइकोलॉजिकली लोगों का ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए वही नाटक कर रहे थे।
Amita is joining us. Amita, Rajmani Patel says it's nothing but natak.
And adding to that, there are other Congress party leaders as well, Swati, who have been reacting to the Prime Minister's tapasya or the spiritual trip that he has undertaken. Digvijay Singh goes on to say that thank you for pointing it out. Is Narendra Modi not governed by laws and rules, or rules don't apply to him? Would the PMO please respond? And as far as he's also tagged the International Congress and Jairam Ramesh and Rahul Gandhi, which seems to suggest as far as photography rules are concerned at Vivekanand Rock Memorial, according to Digvijay Singh, he says that it is prohibited, it is restricted, and the Prime Minister has been violating the law.
All right, the allegation is that the Prime Minister is violating the law, that it is a violation of the model code of conduct. Not the first time, in fact, that the opposition is raking up the issue of violation of model code of conduct. Earlier, you heard in conversation with Pragya, Ajay Rai, in fact, said that the Prime Minister should have meditated in Varanasi. We have Mohit joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mohit, the opposition there slamming the Prime Minister for his spiritual sojourn for the meditation in Kanyakumari, and they are calling it drama.
Well, Swati, from day one, opposition has been saying this, that the Prime Minister is undertaken this particular journey to Kanyakumari for meditation for just sake of cameras. And in fact, as you were pointing it out, that the Congress leaders went to the doors of the Election Commission and they stated that this is a violation of model code of conduct. Now, during the silence period, no campaigning should be done. And if PM has really to meditate, he can meditate, but that should be without cameras. And the Congress party and various opposition leaders came out earlier and said that PM should meditate without camera. He should not take any media with him, because if he goes over there and the campaigning for 7th phase will end, but the media will show Prime Minister Narendra Modi on TV or on social media, then it could influence the voters. So we have seen that how the opposition parties have been attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi's this trip to Kanyakumari. We know that how Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress party president, has also come out stating that Prime Minister, if he had to do meditation, he should have done at his home. To which the BJP says that the Prime Minister believes in Vasudev Kutumbakam. Prime Minister thinks that the country is his house, his home, and for the sake of humanity, for the vision of Viksit Bharat, Prime Minister has gone to meditate. But the opposition parties are trying to politicize this particular issue, and the BJP has been also saying this, that anything which is related to Sanatan, anything which has to do anything with Hinduism, the meditation, the yoga, or in fact the visit to Kanyakumari, opposition will always raise question on this because they are anti-Sanatan. So a whole lot of politics is being played out on this particular issue. We see that how today also various opposition reactions are coming in saying that Prime Minister has gone to Kanyakumari just for the sake of cameras, while the BJP
we
says
have a reaction coming in from the TMC as well. Mohit, stay on with us. Breaking inputs coming in. The TMC has also reacted on this issue, and Abhishek Banerjee of the TMC says meditation for media attention. So Congress calls it natak. TMC says this meditation is only to gain media attention.
मेडिटेशन करना कोई खराब बात नहीं है, करना चाहिए, रोज करना चाहिए. इट्स गुड फॉर योर बॉडी, योर माइंड, योर सोल. पर उसको मीडिया स्पेक्टाकल बनाना, ये तो दिखाता है कि भाई आप लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं. आपका मेडिटेशन करने से कोई गरीब का जिंदगी में कोई समस्या का हल होगा? अगर होगा तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप रोज बैठिए, तो ठीक है भाई. ये तो उनका अपना प्रैक्टिस है, ये करना चाहिए. पर जो मीडिया गए या उनके साथ जो एंटूरेज गए, all the cost has been put on the exchequer. The people of the country is having to bond that expense, which is not right.
Abhishek Banerjee, who is questioning the Prime Minister's meditation, saying this is not going to resolve people's issues. The opposition asked the Election Commission earlier to take action and stop the Prime Minister from meditating in front of cameras. They said the Prime Minister has all the right to meditate, but why is he taking cameras along? Let's listen into how the Bharatiya Janata Party is responding.
48 घंटा बैठता है तो उसमें आगे की राजनीति क्या है, समाज के लिए क्या करना है, देश के लिए क्या करना है, इसका चिंतन करने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री वहां गए हैं। लेकिन अपोजिशन वाले आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि भाई वो उधर के क्यों गए हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि हर बात पर प्रधानमंत्री के कोई भी एक्शन पर मतलब रिएक्शन दी जाती है, कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है।
संस्कृति का साधक ही कभी केदारनाथ की गुफा में जाकर साधना करते हैं और आज विवेकानंद के चरणों में बैठकर साधना कर रहे हैं। ये बघेल वगैरह नहीं समझेंगे और हम नहीं भी चाहते हैं वो समझे, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर और उनके नेताओं के ऊपर वोट बैंक का भूत हावी है।
जिन लोगों ने राम मंदिर का विरोध किया, राम मंदिर को बेकार बोला, राम मंदिर को लटकाने अटकाने भटकाने की साजिश रची, जिन्होंने कहा राम जी का अस्तित्व नहीं, हिंदू टेरर से लेकर सनातन बीमारी है, सनातन समाप्त होना चाहिए, अब वो लोग चाहते कि कोई हिंदू सनातनी ध्यान भी ना करे, तपस्या भी ना करे, साधना भी ना करे, मतलब ऐसा फतवा जारी कर देंगे और कहते हैं मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट का वायलेशन है। किस प्रावधान का?
All right, we have senior journalist Shekhar Iyer and political analyst Professor Manojit Mandal. Let me first take a reaction from Shekhar Iyer. Shekhar Iyer, opposition says this is nothing but drama. It is to get attention of the media, and this is a violation of model code of conduct.
Well, Swati, if anybody has given a lot of attention to this, it is opposition which has given so much of attention. See, he wanted to take a break at the end of the election, and he has been doing it as part of his spiritual alignment or his own way of looking at issues. So I don't think they should. And I want to ask one question. Do you really think there are voters in this country or in the seventh phase who needed something more from the Prime Minister to go and vote for the BJP? I mean, just because after seeing these pictures, some people's mind will change. I mean, this is a very extreme, I would say extrapolation, which is, I mean, those who have made up their mind to vote for the Prime Minister have already made up their mind. This one particular visuals from Kanyakumari is not going to make a difference.
Okay.
But the problem is...
Well, he's campaigned enough, you're right. Over 200 rallies and roadshows have been done by the Prime Minister. Before I take a response from Professor Mondal, we have a reaction coming in from Dushyant Gautam.
ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। खड़गे जी कह रहे हैं अगर मेडिटेशन करना तो अपने घर पे करते। अरे मोदी जी तो वसुधैव कुटुंबकम में पूरे विश्व को अपना मानते हैं, देश को अपना मानते हैं, पूरा घर है। आपकी तरह एक खानदान का घर, एक परिवार, नेहरू परिवार का घर नहीं होता है भाई। वो तो उसके प्रति आत्मसमर्पण होता है। घर तो यही होता है कि पूरे विश्व को और देश में रहने वाले 140 करोड़ लोगों को अपना बंधु घर परिवार का मानना, ये मोदी जी की सोच है। इसलिए पूरा देश और पूरा विश्व उनका घर है और आपकी सोच छोटी है। आप खाली नेहरू खानदान से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते।
ऑल राइट, नेहरू और गांधी से आप बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, आपकी सोच छोटी है, सेज दुष्यंत गौतम। प्रोफेसर मॉडल, हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
You're asking this to me?
Professor Mondal, if you can hear me, your response.
Hello?
Professor Mondal, if you can hear me, Shekhar Iyer earlier said that, the Prime Minister going for meditation, why is it irking the opposition so much? He's done over 200 rallies and roadshows. Do you think this one image of the Prime Minister meditating is going to break or make voters' mind?
Going for meditation is all right, but going with so much of media, so much of hype, and that too at the cost of the people's money, is it right? It's a personal thing. Come on, spiritual journey in one's life can happen at any point of time, but this is extremely personal. He's made it a public event. He's made it a public spectacle, I should be saying, following Abhishek Banerjee. Abhishek Banerjee he's absolutely right. Well, taking so much of media, go and do it all by yourself. Wherever you wish, it's Himalaya, or maybe Kanyakumari, or maybe in Kashmir. That's your problem.
Okay, so Prime Minister meditating is not a problem. Mr. Mondal says that the images and the visuals coming out is definitely an issue. It is not personal anymore, you're saying. He's taken cameras along.